Hey friends, if you encounter an error has occurred or download interrupted while trying to access Microsoft Edge, actually trying to download files to Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to clear the browser cache and restart Microsoft Edge. So open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on the bin symbol here. Change the time range to all time. Select clear now. The next solution is to update Microsoft Edge. How would you update it? Click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select help and feedback. Select about Microsoft Edge. The next solution is to repair Microsoft Edge. How would you repair Microsoft Edge? So here's what you have to do. Search for Edge in the search bar and click on the download pointing arrow associated with it. Or we don't have the repair button here, but we can obviously reset it. So click on reset settings in the settings page. Click on the store settings to the default value and then select reset values. And then you can disable unnecessary extensions. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions, go to manage extensions. If you find any extensions here, try disabling them unless you're very sure about the extension. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.